Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to zoom in and zoom out in your terminal, whether you're using Command Prompt, PowerShell, or even a Linux terminal. This is super helpful if the text is too small or too large on your screen. If you're using Command Prompt or PowerShell on Windows, simply hold the Control key and scroll your mouse wheel up to zoom in or down to zoom out. Let me repeat again. Step 1, hold down Control key on your keyboard. Step 2, use the scroll wheel on your mouse to scroll up to zoom in and scroll down to zoom out. Alternatively, you can use only keyboard keys like on a laptop. Press on the Control key, then use the plus key to zoom in and use the minus key to zoom out. To reset, press Control and then 0. The keyboard key only method works on Linux and Mac. And that's it. Now you know how to zoom in and out in Terminal, Command Prompt, and PowerShell like a pro. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below.